welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Tanmeet Kaur and I would feel really happy if you could take down a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So yes guys, for today's video, as you must have read in the title bar, that I am gonna do a rainbow look tutorial, right? So without wasting any more time, let's get in the video. So yes guys, first off we're gonna take a primer, and today we're gonna take this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I'm just gonna take it a little bit on the back of my hand. So yeah guys, we're done with our primer. Next up we are gonna do the foundation, and I'm just gonna take some of it again on the back. Little bit more. So yes guys, since I'm done with spreading up the foundation evenly, now I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend everything in. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how my foundation looks like on my skin. Next up I'm gonna do my eyes guys. So yes guys, next up I'm gonna do the concealer. Not concealer like concealing my face, but yes, concealing my eyes. Since we're gonna do a rainbow look, so I just want all the colors to pop up on my eyes and give a very bright effect. So I'm gonna take a concealer. I'm gonna just cover my eyes. Now I'm gonna take the same beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend it. So yeah guys, I'm pretty happy with how my concealer on my eyes look like. Now we're gonna jump into the eyeshadow. So for the first color of the eyeshadow guys, I'm gonna take this orangish reddish kind of a shade from the palette, this one by Julia. Just gonna take a little bit of on the brush and just slightly with a very slight hand. On the outer corners of my eye. Just want to clean. So yes guys, next up I'm going to take a green color and I'm going to take it on a flatter brush this time, and I'm just going to take some and slightly dab it over this next to the orange reddish shade. Yes guys, next up I'm going to take some blue kind of a color. So I'm just gonna take this ink blue kind of a color. This is not basically ink blue, but not even sky blue. It's not a dark blue either. So I'm just gonna take a little bit over here. Like you have to just kind of thoda sa na merge karna into the green color so that it looks blended and everything. I'm pretty happy with like how it is looking. So I'm just gonna go back to the brush with which I applied the orangish reddish shade. I'm not gonna take any product on it, but मैं सिर्फ ऐसे ही just brush लेकर I'm just gonna blend everything together. You don't have to be perfect because it's gonna have a lot of colors over your face as well. So yeah, but still it should look nice and blended. No harsh lines though. I'm pretty happy with how my eyes are looking. So next step I'm going to take a comparatively more precise brush, and I'm just going to take a very light, you can say transition shade kind of a color, like ऐसे सा कुछ color, light brown color. Dab off the excess, and I'm just gonna do it over here, just to so that it looks really blended and everything, and no red सारा मतलब सिर्फ खूनी आंखें नहीं. So yeah, so it looks subtle and decent. Just a little bit guys. Just gonna take a little bit more red because as compared to here, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा red कम है. So I'm gonna go back with the red color. Very little guys. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm done with my eyes. So yes guys, next up we are gonna do our eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm gonna take the Brow Zings by Benefit. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. So next up guys, I'm gonna just give a pink kind of touch to my eyebrows. So I'm gonna just take a pink eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take this on an angular brush. I'm not concealing my brows or doing anything because I don't want to like prominent them with pink. I'm just gonna give it a hint just to make everything very colorful. So yes guys, I'm pretty happy with how my eyebrows and my eyes look like, and now I'm gonna just do my lashes and come back in a minute. So yeah, I'm done with my lashes, so I'm just gonna fix them and uplift them basically. So next up guys, I'm gonna do my inner corners and my lower lash line. So next up we are gonna do the yellow. So before yellow, I'm just gonna conceal my inner corners a little so that it gives more pop up or bright look. Right, so I'm just gonna take a concealer on the brush. I'm just gonna conceal my inner corners. Yeah, that's it. So next up I'm gonna take a precise brush and I'm just gonna take a yellow eyeshadow on it. Just gonna place it like this. It's bright enough. So yeah, next up guys, I'm gonna just take the violet shade. Since the rainbow has a violet shade, I'm gonna take it on a very precise brush and I'm just gonna do my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna very closely. So yes guys, I'm done with the violet kind of a shade. Now I'll take a little lighter purple just to blend it and so that it doesn't look like एक line खींचती है काजल sort of a look जो मुझे बिल्कुल I don't wear kajal that often, so I'm just gonna take a little lighter purple on a thoda sa zyada fluffier brush, like precise but yet fluffier. Just gonna just बहुत light-handedly just smudging it. Guys, I'm loving my eyes. I'm just loving my eyes. So yeah, we are pretty done with our eye makeup. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara. So yeah. The upper lash line too, so that हमारी जो falsies हैं वो हमारे eyes के साथ smudge हो जाए. So a little bit over here. क्योंकि पता है जब natural lashes falsies से अलग खड़ी होती है ना बड़ी गंदी होती है. So इसलिए just smudging them with my falsies. I'm loving it. So yeah, I'm done with my eyes now. Next up we are gonna move into our contour. Guys, it is gonna be a very interesting contour because we are not gonna contour it with the contour shade. We are gonna contour it with a blush because it is a colorful kind of a look. So I'm just gonna grab some blush. I'm just gonna take this one, and this one is by Maybelline because it has variants of pink and everything. It has a mauvish kind of pink, a pinky pink, and a coralish kind of a shade. So I am gonna take this tapered brush सबसे पहले, and I'm just gonna take this mauvish kind of blush. So I'm just gonna very light-handedly do. So yes guys, next up we are gonna do blush, and for the blush I'm gonna take this coral blush. Just gonna take this and smile and do my blush. Not very मतलब वैसे ध्यान से, just randomly because we are gonna play a lot with the face also. In terms, in terms of color. So yes guys, now I'm just gonna add all these colors which are going on my eyes to my face a little bit just to क्योंकि अच्छा लगेगा hopefully. So I'm just adding some colors. Just adding blue here because already मैंने अपने eyebrows पे pink touch दिया था, so I'm not adding pink over there. Pinky नहीं करना है. Just adding blue to give it like sky effect, you know. Next up guys, I'm gonna take some yellow, green and mix करके just gonna place it. Now I'm just gonna put on some more blush. भर के ब्लश जितना मर्जी गंदन मेरा चिपना के नहीं होगा. अब मैं थोड़ा सा I'm just gonna take सारे कलर blue, green, yellow, just gonna add it. I guess I am pretty happy with how my face looks like. Next up guys, we're gonna add in some clouds on our face, so let's do it. Like I'm gonna do it for the first time, so just gonna add some clouds. Guys, I'm done with adding up the clouds. Now I'm just gonna take और ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है guys. पता नहीं लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे तो लग रहा है. So next up I'm gonna take a translucent powder and just dab it all over these clouds so that ये smudge नहीं हो और ये थोड़ा टाइम तक stay करें at least till you get a good photographs. So this is my highlighter brush और मैं ये थोड़ा सा precisely इसलिए ले रही हूँ so that हम बाकी face पे नहीं लगाएं because बाकी face पे colors are going on ना. Just gonna take very slightly. I'm pretty happy with how my face looks like so far. Now I'm gonna add in some highlighter, guys. Just gonna take some highlighter and just gonna do highlight my brow bone. बड़े तसल्ली से क्योंकि this is the only part which is getting highlighted. So yes, I'm pretty happy with how my face looks like everything is on point. Suppose, as for me, now I'm just gonna add in some lipstick. So guys, for my lipstick, I'm gonna take this one by Nykaa and this one in the shade Bombay. And this is one of my favorite nudes, guys. Not even nudes, like this is one of my favorite lipstick. I just love it. Like if I'm going for office, for anything, like for glam makeup, anything, this works the best. कुछ नहीं तो this is तो है ही. So yes, I'm done with adding up some lipstick, guys. Guys, for the rainbow, we're gonna use these pens. I'm sure सबके पास घर में ये पेन है ही है. So let's do it, guys. For yellow, I don't have a pen, so I'm just gonna take back my concealer and my eyeshadow again and add in some yellow. दिख रहा है? दिखा? इधर तुमने मुझे यहाँ फालतू बोला. मुझे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. So guys, I'm just gonna remove this cloud because after this rainbow ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. मुझे पता नहीं था क्योंकि रेनबो का मूड बंद. I'm gonna fix back my clouds again and come back in a minute. So yes guys, I'm done with my adding up the accessories and my makeup look. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly add up some fixing spray. I'm gonna take this MAC Prep and Prime. Just gonna take a little shower in it. So guys, this is how my look turned up and I pretty love it. Like I pretty like it with all my eye makeup and everything. Like the eye makeup and the thing is like wearable, which I can easily wear it out. Obviously clouds came in, but yes, I think it's kind of wearable. Do comment down below, what do you So yes guys, I hope you like this look and you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit down that like button and subscribe to my channel guys. I would really appreciate if you guys could take down a moment and comment down below what videos would you like to see next me doing, because I would love to make it for you guys. And yeah, till then, stay safe, stay home, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.